I don't know if AI is going to be humanity's biggest problem. I wonder always, I don't know, but sometimes it's kind of hard to tell who's who and what's what, because, we get sometimes confused of what's real and what's not. Sometimes I get this, sometimes it's that. I can put two faces on, and then another face. I can be Jeff Bezos. I can be Elon Musk. But as technology increases, I have an optimistic point of view of the way the world's going, and it is getting increasingly more difficult to see right from wrong. It's going to be an exciting journey. Now, I'm not saying that you don't even know if my face is real or not. This could just all be a face swapper, like all the other faces I just showed you. But you'll have to figure out yourself. So let me get into a tutorial on how I did all this. That was like a little skit, so let's dive into the scenes. So yeah, this is just my OBS. You want to get a software called Pinocchio. This is a simple software for all the non-techies out there that want to download Git repos and run them in like one click, as it says. But so just click download and then go through all the steps that it says, and then you will be prompted this when you open the app. So I already have Face Fusion downloaded, so all you gotta do is go to featured, and it should be the first one there. If not, just find it and then click download, and it'll run you through the whole Python script of installing it and everything. You don't have to click a single button. After it's done, click launch normal mode. It will run the Python script and it'll load up a web UI for you. And this web UI is going to be kind of confusing when you start out, but bear with me here. So the frame enhancer and the frame enhancer and the face enhancer, all I like them all to be checked because you get a better output quality. For the example I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, I used all three. So I use that for the best quality. These models you don't have to change. Now, this two providers are going to be relative to your device. So I'm on Mac, so the machine learning processing provider is CoreML and just the regular CPU. So CoreML is obviously going to be faster, and looking at your thread count on your computer, I used 16 for this one and it worked. But most people use 8. If you have 8, now you just have to look at your specs on your computer and see how many threads you have. So in max memory, I would not touch that if you were just depending on your device model. So if you're on Mac, go up here and then go to about this Mac, and you can see all the specifications of the MacBook. So yeah, so that's all that. And for Windows, it's kind of the same thing. You just go into Task Manager and do that. So once you get all these set, here the source is, let's just say this is going to be face you want to put on the video. So the face you want it to be. So say I have a list of faces here. Say I want Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, I want to put my face as Mark Zuckerberg. I'm going to upload a video. Just do a random video of here. So I'm going to go to my cloud right quick and put the video on. So here, it's better if you do MP4, but it'll automatically convert to MP4 if you put any other format. So here you either put a picture, a PNG file, a JPEG, or a video file. So it'll upload that, and then after you get all that done, it'll upload, and then you can go through the video. Once this uploads, I'll show you guys the preview of what the frame is going to be like. So let's wait until this loads. I will put a time lapse on here so you guys don't have to wait. So here is the preview of what kind of it's taking a still of what your video is going to look like. See, again, it's the preview frame. This is the reference of the still it's putting the face on. It looks pretty nice. Let me download it and show you guys up close. Now that looks not too bad. Could be better if I had a better image, but yeah, now you gotta do is click start, and then it'll start, and just to see your progress, you can look at the Pinocchio terminal, and just to see what how much time you got left. Sometimes, depending on how good your processing executors are, it'll take longer or faster. So preferably if you are on Windows and you're running a NVIDIA graphics card, I would recommend using CUDA, and then for, of course, CoreML for Mac if we're using Silicon. So yeah, that's it. Tell me if you guys liked it. Yeah.